Hi, and welcome to our next Level 1 algebra video. We're moving on to substitution, and there's only one video on this topic, so let's get started. Substitution, like sport and like other parts of life, involve replacing one thing with another. And in mathematics, it means to replace the variables or the letters with the actual numbers and then try to calculate the actual answer. All right, let's get straight into some examples and show you just to brush you up on this skill. If the volume of a sphere is given by V, which means volume, equals 4/3 times that number pi times r cubed, where r is the radius, calculate the volume of the sphere that has a radius of 2 centimeters. So in other words, substitute 2 into the rule. So here's the rule. V equals 4/3 times pi times r cubed. So r is 2, so we're going to substitute and get V is equal to 4/3 times pi times 2 cubed. Now 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So we've got 8 times the 4, which is 32, over 3, 32 pi over 3. Now because we don't have a calculator allowed in this assessment, you're best to leave your answer like that and not try and work it out as a decimal. All right, example 2. If D is equal to the square root of B squared minus 3AC, we need to calculate D given the values B is 5, C is 3, and A is 1. Okay, well here's our rule. D is equal to square root of B squared minus 3AC. B is 5, A is the number 1, and C is the number 3. So let's substitute in and get the square root of 5 squared minus 3 times 1, which is A, times 3, which is C. Let's work out everything inside the square root and do the square root last. So 5 squared is 25, and 3 times 1 times 3 is 9. So we've got 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 is 16. So we're trying to work out the square root of 16, which is 4. So D is 4. All right, our last example is this one. If G is equal to the square root of 2B plus 1, all divided by C plus 3. We need to calculate what G is given the value of B is 24 and the value of C is negative 10. All right, so here's our rule. G is equal to square root of 2B plus 1 divided by C plus 3. We were told that B is 24 and C is negative 10. So let's substitute in, and on the top we're going to get the square root of 2 times 24 plus 1 more. And on the bottom we're going to get negative 10 plus 3. So let's work out the top bit first. 2 times 24 is 48, plus 1 more is 49. So we're taking the square root of 49. And on the bottom, negative 10 plus 3 more make negative 7. So we know the square root of 49 is 7. So we're going to get 7 divided by negative 7. And a positive number divided by a negative number makes a negative number. And 7 divided by 7 is 1. So we get G is equal to negative 1. Great, thanks for watching.